Hi, म्हज्या गोंयकार भाव भयणांनो, सोजमोता सगळें उगड आसा म्हूण 27th of July UK एक व्हडलो इव्हेंट जावपा आहा which is Food Fiesta 3.0. It's going to be held at Barham Park, Harrow Road, the fun fairground from 12 p.m. till 8 p.m. organized by United Goans of Wembly in association with Gold and Silver Events. Atum moduli event किता येवपाचे well जायती कारण आहे. So the few reasons are amazing music, amazing live performance, amazing artists and amazing entertainment for the kids as well. So yes, it's going to be amazing family time together. So don't forget to come with your friends, family, neighbors and kids. And not forgetting, I'm going to sing some of your favorite numbers, some of the hits from the Nazi Akupasar. So Soglia Magta AI Mutumi Tungia family Barabo and Amge Goinkarpon, Amge Osmitai Sambaria. Let's do it for the love of Konkani, for the love of Goan community, for the love of Goinkarpon. So I'm hoping to see you all on the 27th of July at Barham Park, Harrow.